Hello everyone, and welcome back to your Health Lab. Today, we'll cover an important topic: natural ways to detox and cleanse your kidneys. Our kidneys work constantly to remove waste and poison from our systems, so maintaining their health is critical. In this video, I'll discuss natural methods for detoxing and cleansing your kidneys. Let's get started. Stay hydrated. The first and possibly most important step is to remain hydrated. Drinking enough water allows your kidneys to more efficiently wash away waste and poisons. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water each day, and try adding lemon or lime for additional cleansing effects. Eat kidney-friendly foods. You want to have a kidney-healthy diet that is mostly plant-based. It means eating largely whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes like beans, peas, and lentils, unsalted nuts, and healthy oils, while reducing animal items, including dairy, eggs, fish, meat, and chicken. You don't want a lot of saturated fats, carbohydrates, or processed meals. A kidney-friendly diet can help you maintain a healthy body weight. It will help you prevent diabetes and maintain normal blood pressure. Reduce sodium intake. A high salt consumption might strain your kidneys. Reduce your salt intake by avoiding highly processed and quick foods, and instead of salt, use herbs and spices for flavor. Drink kidney cleansing teas. Herbal teas such as hydrangea and nettle tea have diuretic effects and can aid in kidney cleansing. Drink a cup of one of these teas every day to benefit from the cleansing effects. A recent study discovered that hydrangea paniculate extracts administered for 3 days had a preventative effect against kidney injury. This is most likely owing to the plant's antioxidant properties. Prevent diabetes. You want to prevent diabetes, or if you already have it, you want to manage it. The leading cause of kidney failure is diabetes. You want to find out if you have diabetes, if you are pre-diabetic, or if you are at risk. And if that's the case, you want to control it. You want to avoid it, because being able to control or avoid diabetes is critical to assisting your kidneys in filtering better. And there you have it, natural kidney detoxification and cleansing methods. By following these guidelines, you will be supporting your kidneys in their vital task of waste filtration and general health maintenance. Remember to always talk with a healthcare expert before making major changes to your diet or lifestyle. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching, and please take care of your kidneys.